If I use equals sum, then open the bracket, then select the range of cells which I wanted to add. The range which I wanted to add, I have selected. So this will be the total. The total will be 2121. So whenever you do the sum like this, and if you try to filter for any representative to get the actual total for that representative and to find out what each representative has sold, it will be difficult using the sum. I have the total unit price equals sum, open the bracket. Open the bracket, then select the range. Then close the bracket. The range has been selected and the total sum is 2725. This is the unit price. And total sales, what the company has achieved will be, we have to do the sum and select the range for the sales value. So this will be the sales value which will be doing the total, and we got the total for sales. Now my interest is to find out the representative Smith and whatever units he has sold, because I am not getting how many times Smith has sold what units and what is the price at which he has sold and what is the total sales for Smith. Because what we have done is we have calculated the total for the unit price and the total units sold and also the sales. I am not getting the value for individual representative. So let me filter and check if I am able to get the value for each representative. If you see, it is not giving any total for the representative if I filter and select a particular representative. So it is still showing the same total for units and unit price and also the sales price. Since I am not getting the value for Smith, then how do I calculate for individual representative? By filtering and finding out the value or the total for each representative, it is not going to give any data. So I will move this total to different cells. I will cut and paste. When I cut and paste the formula, it will remain as it is. So you don't have any issues of the total. So the result will remain same even if you cut and paste. And the calculation what you have done, that will also remain as it is. I can cut and paste anywhere. Wherever you cut and paste, it doesn't matter. You will get the same result, same total. Okay, I have cut and paste here. I have given some blank area so that whenever you calculate for each representative, you will be able to see the total for that particular representative. So I have given some blank area. Let me filter and select the representative. I'll select Smith. So in this blank area, I will use the formula equals subtotal. Then I have to specify 9 for total. Whenever you use subtotal, you will get different options. But in this case, I have to use addition. So I'll use 9 for sum. I will choose 9. This is for sum. Then I will choose the cell reference. E2 to E21. This will only calculate how many units a representative Smith has sold. Let me cut and paste the formula in different cells so that any of the representative who has sold multiple items, it doesn't have any conflict. Copy the formula for unit price and sales as well. Now we have copied the formula horizontally and we have got the value. We can format the cell and use the currency format to apply the dollar symbol. I have formatted and used the dollar symbol. For other cells also I will apply the same. Total units Smith has sold, which is 156. Total unit price of sales what Smith has done is 345. And total sales for Smith is 4015. If I select another representative, I'll select 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩. Let me check if I get the total. Total units what 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩 has sold is 213 and unit price is 120. And sales what 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐩 has done is 4830.